How to find blocked voicemails on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your iPhone. Once you are here, you will see a panel at the bottom of the screen with several options. From this panel, tap on the voicemail option, located in the bottom right corner. This section allows you to listen to, manage, and delete your voicemails directly from your device without having to call a separate voicemail service. On this page, you can see a list of all your voicemails. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of your voicemail list. Look for a folder labeled Blocked Messages or Blocked Voicemails. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily find blocked voicemails on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.